Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to put 4 pages in one pages using PDF-XChange Editor. Open your PDF file and select Organize option. Here you will find this Mark pages option. Select here and always select standard page size, letter size, and this page margin you can change. And select here all page. Also you can select a specific page range if you want. You can add reverse page order and select here page type multiple page per sheet. And now click this custom page. Here you will find this 4 page and see this 4 page. We are already aligned all of this now, and you can uncheck remove source page after merging them and see this preview 4 page per sheet and finally select OK and see this 4 pages now per sheet already applied. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and